What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's time to chill out. You can stay cool this summer with a fan. So I picked this up. I thought it would be really interesting to see here. It's a mini handheld fan, but it's got some interesting features, or it appears to, at least in the description when I saw it. And right here is the spoiler alert on what makes that really interesting. Oh, it sounds like we've got, oh, we'd love to hear from you. I bet you would. So here is the fan. It's kind of in this baby blue here. We also have a micro USB cable, pretty long one actually. And then we have this clip-on piece, which is really the piece that's kind of most interesting. But I do want to show you the fan here because it's a little handheld fan, plastic. So you can see here, micro USB port on the back to charge it up. Looks like we probably have like 18650 batteries down here in the handle. And then you can see this little track here, and that's for attaching this piece right there. You can see we have a little dimple on the back here, so that'll kind of hold that in place. And then we have a shroud around the fan here. You can see the fan in there, 7-bladed. And I'm hoping it has a little bit of a charge for demonstration purposes. Look at that. Blowing. Ooh, I can feel it. That just feels good, man. These little handheld fans aren't bad. They do move quite a bit of air. That's pretty impressive. Whoa! Glad it has a cage. That is moving pretty quick. Even faster. And then off. So 3 speeds, which is really cool. Now, this is the piece that's kind of interesting to me. Again, blue plastic. We have a little foam. This is plastic on the back, but these are like, I guess these are rubber, not foam. And you can see here, there's a little bit of a lip there, so you don't really have to worry about your phone falling out the front. But then what we would do is we would slide this sucker on here. You can see how it's cut out so that it'll be able to move up and down. And this thing moves this way. So what I can do here is take like an iPhone XS, put it in here, and turn on the fan. Oh man, actually, there we go. Now I can turn it on. And now I can watch my videos, read my email, Instagram stuff while I am being cooled by this handheld fan. So if you're sitting on the beach, vacationing, out on your porch, at a soccer game, watching a sports event, whatever, you can have the best of both worlds. All your technology, and you can see it's not sliding out while you are staying nice and cool. So check it out. You don't actually need this thing on here. I'm not saying you do. It's kind of nice to have that. But man, woo! This thing is pretty powerful. Just as a standalone fan, I'm pretty impressed with that. But the fact that the manufacturer knows that people cannot live with their technology is kind of a sign of the times, really. Check it out. I will put a link to this in the description if you want to pick one up. Peter Von Panda, out.